What's up, tribe? Welcome back to Andrea's Corner. Today we're going to do a little bit of some cleaning motivation and clean out and organize my pantry. We are going to do a little bit of DIY to make it look high class on a low budget. So to get started, we've got to take everything out of the pantry, get rid of all of the old expired stuff and things we don't use, and then we'll start with our DIY.
Okay, so for the makeover for the pantry, here are the things that I've got. So I've got this double dispenser for like cereal or goldfish. And then I've got the jumbo helper shelf. And then I got these cool jars that have the chalk label on them, as well as these jars, the glass jars with just a lid, and then I can add my own chalk label or my own label. In the back here, I have a fruit basket. I've got these bins to help organize things and keep them like the same. And then I've got, this isn't going in the pantry, but we get milk delivered, so it's for extra milk. And then I've got these are wine shelves, so they'll look like this at the end, but I'll show you when we put them together. And then finally over here, it just looks like a whole lot of nothing, but I'm getting ready to put these together. They are making the like poster board shelves for a wire pantry. So I have the poster boards, and then I'm using this as the liner to make them prettier. And that's it.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is measure your cabinet space or the shelves that you're making these for. There are lots of videos on how to make these. I'll link the one that inspired me in the description box. But I already measured my shelves in my pantry, so what I'm doing is just matching those measurements here using a box cutter, cutting the poster board to that length, and then repeating this over and over and over and over again. One of the things that I will point out is this was not easy. I thought this project would take me a few hours, and it took me 2 days because of this part right here. Literally having to cut these to the right measurements and then putting the laminate on them was very, very tedious, especially if you have OCD like me. So keep that in mind if you're taking on this project specifically.
All right, guys, we are finally done with the DIY portion of making the shelves with the Dollar Tree products. Looks good. I'm sure once we put stuff on there, it'll weigh it down just a touch more and look a lot better. All right.
Are any of you just as excited as I am right now? I can't believe how long this project actually took. Here I thought starting this project on a Saturday morning that I would be done by that afternoon, and lo and behold, it took me all of Saturday into Sunday to finish. The hardest part was truly making those covers, or the shelf covers for the wire shelves in my pantry, but I feel like it looks really, really great and it all came together so well. One thing I definitely forgot to put on video was I labeled all of the black bins for what was in them so that it was easier for us to identify what was where everything was at. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, join our tribe and subscribe. We would love you to be a member of our tribe and hang out with us weekly. Thank you again for hanging out with me. Leave a comment down below on what you would like to see in Andrea's Corner next. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Take care. Bye, tribe.